Hey everyone, Yuna here. I'm always hunting for the next big thing in tech stocks. I recently found this incredible tool that tracks patents to find market movers. Let's look.
It's called The Best Trade, and their patent breakthrough section is a game changer for long-term investors. Instead of just looking at earnings, it analyzes a company's capacity for future disruption. Look at this score for NVIDIA. It's sitting at an 8.0.
The coolest part? It breaks down the specific tech that's about to explode. Check this out.
First up, multi-perspective sensor fusion. The platform identifies this as a high-impact breakthrough. It essentially lets AI see the world in 3D without the glitches current sensors have. The estimated time frame here is 3 to 5 years, which is perfect for us long-term holders. And it's not just vision. They're also tackling how these machines actually move around. Exactly. Here's the iterative volumetric mapping. It allows robots to navigate unstructured environments. Think delivery bots in crowded cities or drones in forests. Again, it's a midterm play, giving you a massive head start before the rest of the market catches on.
I'm going to be using this for all my deep dives. Definitely check out the site.